off, let me know what you guys think of this hair, honey. I just washed my hair and I just wanted to do a natural pony, you know, just a natural pony. So let me know what you guys think about my faux life. But I've been really liking it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But I am going to get to opening this package. So let me get some scissors because I hate tearing it open with my fingers. So I got this package from Lasenza, and they had like a after New Year's sale. They're a smaller version of Victoria's Secrets. Basically, that's it. Like, the only difference is the name, but everything else, the theme of the store, everything is very similar to Victoria's Secrets and pink. It's the same thing. It's just cheaper and a different name. Basically, I went online to Lasenza.com. Even though I went to the mall after the fact, I was just doing some emotional online shopping. If you know what I mean, thumbs up. Who does emotional? I do it. Like, I know I'm not the only one. Yeah. But let's get to this package. So I ended up getting the Lasenza this Lasenza card. They have like a rewards card where I believe it's $10 and then you get like 10 to 15% off all of your purchases for that year. So it essentially pays for itself if you shop in the store enough. Yeah, so it's 10% off every purchase. You have exclusive access. You get birthday surprises, free everyday shipping, and email offers and benefits. So it's basically paying for itself with the $10 that you're paying for it. So this is how the card looks. Club Lasenza, you know, it's like a rewards card, and you just use it on top of any coupons and things that you have anywhere. So I'm looking for the little packing slip. I don't think, no, I didn't get a packing slip. Or like when you're looking for it, they don't have it. That's crazy. But anyways, so I got a few items here, and the first item is this black sparkle mesh sock. Now, I don't know if you guys seen it, but I will leave the picture right here where Rihanna had on these beautiful socks with her pumps, honey. And I never thought that I needed socks until now. So I purchased these socks in reference to Rihanna's look, and I just cannot wait to do my look to be like Riri. Like, she did that shit. So I got the socks, and I will be putting on pumps with it. Okay, so that's what that's about. I ended up getting this sports bra. The retail is $24.95. I got this in a size medium. It's like a glittery sports bra. It has a little mesh in the front and the mesh in the back. And I just wanted to integrate it into my daily routines to get into the notion and motivate myself to start working out more. Like, I've been lazy lately. Like, I don't know what's been going on, but I know that if you got cute stuff to wear, like, you're not gonna waste it. You're gonna work out. Well, at least that's the plan. Then I got this pink one. It's the same exact one, but it's pink, and pink is my favorite color. In the same size medium. So I will try this on for you guys too. Then I got the undies. Yeah, these are super cute. And I'll leave the price down below, but the retail is $10.95, and I got these in a medium. And they are super cute. I like the lace. And they're black. And then I got these. I got these in a large because I didn't like how the back was, so I figured I need a bigger size. Like that, just a little everyday panty. Thought that was cute. Retail is $29.95. And it's like a sleep romper. Isn't that cute? Like, it's so cute. And it's shorts. It's like a onesie romper kind of thing for in the house. I think that is just so cute. It's so cute. What do you guys think? They had different colors. I should have got the gray one. And then I got these two little white shirts. I got them in a size medium. I'm not going to take it out now because my hands are dirty and I got makeup on. So I'm going to try it on when I take my makeup off. You guys will see it on the side here, but I don't want to, because it's white. I don't want to get it dirty. Y'all know how it is, makeup saga. But yeah, that's all the stuff that I got from Lasenza. I got so many other packages coming. So if you guys like my mail, we got mail. We got mail. Let me know what you guys think about it. But yeah, I get so many packages every day. I felt like maybe I should start making this a series to show you guys what I get. But yeah, that is my unboxing for Lasenza.com. I shop at so many different stores, online and stores, and I thought it would be cool to start sharing it with you guys. So yeah, that is my video today. Let me know what you guys think about this ponytail again, because I feel like I look like a little girl. I don't know, I feel like a little girl. But yeah, I'll see y'all guys next time. Thank you for watching and viewing today. Be safe out here in these streets. Bye y'all.